Today I'm going to answer the most asked questions about physical exfoliators. Question 1. What is a physical exfoliator? When the skin's dead skin cells don't shed when they're supposed to, your skin starts to look dull and your pores start to get clogged. Physical exfoliators remove dead skin cells from the surface of skin and save them from pores. It helps your skin return to a healthier state more immediately. Question 2. Which physical exfoliator is best for the face? The main type of physical exfoliators are scrubs, gommage peels, and clay masks. It's important to choose an exfoliator that works for your skin type. Scrubs massage small particles all over the face to remove dead skin cells, so they work really well with skin with a lot of dead skin cells and blackheads. Scrubs have different effects depending on what type they are. So black sugar scrubs tend to dissolve impurities and sebum that clog your pores and also get rid of dead skin cells. Glycolic acid makes the skin feel moisturized. Scrubs with shea butter also provide a more moisturizing exfoliation. Other ingredients that are seen often in scrubs are oatmeal and rice. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, and they help to calm and moisturize the skin. They have a fine texture, so they can be used on sensitive skin to gently exfoliate. If you want to exfoliate while avoiding irritation, I would recommend gommage peels or clay masks. Gommage peels exfoliate the skin with cellulose by clumping them together and exfoliating. Cellulose is an ingredient that is recommended if you want to exfoliate without irritation because it doesn't damage the skin. They're usually made of plant-based enzymes, so they have the effects of chemical exfoliation as well. Clay masks help absorb dead skin cells, sebum that clog pores, and impurities. So they are great for using if you have excessive sebum, and there are 3 types of clay masks. Bentonite clay is a high-absorbing clay mask made of volcanic ash. It does a great job in drawing out sebum and tightening the skin, so it's perfect for oily skin. Kaolin clay is a low irritating clay, so it's good for sensitive and acne-prone skin types. Last but not least, mud clay is rich in minerals, so it's good for clarifying and calming the skin. Question 3. Is it okay to use a scrub on the face? A lot of people ask, are physical exfoliators too harsh on the skin? Won't they leave abrasions or hyperpigmentations? What's important is to use the physical exfoliator that suits your skin in the correct way. Don't rub or scrub too hard on your skin, and use once a week if you have dry skin and 1 to 2 times a week if you have oily skin. Just by following these rules, you won't have any problems. A tip for those of you that are concerned with irritation. Combining your scrub with a cleansing oil will really help make it gentle and effective. Chemical exfoliating is always available if you guys don't want to use a physical exfoliator. Check out this video if you want to know more. Today I talked about what a physical exfoliator is, which scrubs are the best, and whether or not you should use it on your face. If you want to find out more, check out these videos.